estimation is baseline correction. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to prepare your solvent solution, and first of all you take both the solvents in both the cuvettes and perform the baseline correction. Baseline correction is to perform with help of the computer console that we are having. The name of the software that you are using is UV-Probe 2.303, which is the latest norm of the industry. Okay, after you have done with the baseline correction, you have to go for calibration curve of the method, and for that you will need to prepare 5 different concentrated solutions according to your drug of choice. For example, if you are doing it with paracetamol, so the paracetamol follows Beers-Lambert's law in the range of 5 microgram to 40 microgram or 50 microgram per ml solution. So accordingly you will prepare concentrations of 5 microgram per ml, 10 microgram per ml, 15 microgram per ml, 20 microgram per ml, and finally 25 microgram per ml. After preparing these solvents and after you have done with the baseline correction, what you will do? You will remove the cuvette for sample and throw away the solvent that you have already put in, and then you will try to, you have to try to take the readings of the solvent that you have prepared. For that, first of all, you will take the concentrated first dilution that you prepared, that is 5 microgram per ml, and you will dilute, you will rinse your cuvette with that solution, and then you will put 5 ml of that solution and put it into the sampling port. After that, you will run the solution again. You will run the test from the computer console, and you will take the absorbance reading of that particular concentration. You will repeat this step all over again for all the other solvents, that is for the 10 microgram per ml, 15 microgram per ml, 20 microgram per ml, and finally 25 microgram per ml. After you have taken the absorbances of all the concentration that you have prepared, you will put up these values into a graph paper and prepare a calibration curve. You can prepare this calibration curve by 2 methods. Either you can take the help of your machine software, or you can do it by manual method of the graphical method, and the third and the most utilized or most useful method is through doing it through the Microsoft Excel software. After you have done with the concentration calibration curve of the sample number 1, you will have to do the same for calibration curve number for the drug number 2, that is your ibuprofen. So you will do this steps for paracetamol, then you will repeat the steps for ibuprofen. After you have done with the paracetamol and ibuprofen calibration curves, you will go ahead for the simultaneous method of estimation that I have already told you what are the formulas and how you perform these tests. I have already told you. You know the formula, you know the equations where you have to put in the values. So what you will do, you will take the unknown sample which contains both paracetamol as well as ibuprofen. So for these solution, again you will take the solvent that is already unknown sample is there in your hand. You will dilute it up to the level of 10 microgram per ml of each, and then you will start taking the readings again in UV sample, which contains both multiple component analysis of both the drugs, that is ibuprofen as well as paracetamol. Okay.